If your desktop background suddenly turns black in Windows 11, it usually happens because of a disabled wallpaper setting, theme issue, corrupted file, or graphics glitch. In this video, I will show you 5 proven black screen background fixes in Windows 11. Now, before we continue, if you would rather fix this automatically instead of going through all these manual steps, I actually created a small Windows tool that can repair the wallpaper cache for you in seconds. It safely rebuilds the Windows wallpaper cache, refreshes the desktop environment, and eliminates the corrupted file that usually causes the black background problem. So if you prefer a one-click solution, you can download the tool from the link pinned in the comment section. The black background issue happens because of a temporary glitch in the Windows Explorer process. Restarting it can often fix display issues instantly. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Once the Task Manager opens, in the search bar, type Windows Explorer. When you see it, right-click on Windows Explorer, then click Restart. Your screen may briefly flicker, and the taskbar and desktop will refresh. In many cases, your wallpaper will reappear and the black background will be gone. Sometimes, the issue happens because your original wallpaper file was deleted, moved, or corrupted. And when Windows cannot find the image, it simply shows a black background instead. To fix this, start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop. Click Personalize. Once you are in the Personalization menu, click on Background. Make sure Picture is selected from the drop-down menu. Next, click Browse Photos. Now simply navigate to any image you want to use as your background. Select it and then click Choose Picture. As soon as you do that, Windows will apply the new wallpaper and your desktop background should appear normally again. Next, let's try another common fix, which is disabling high contrast themes. High contrast themes are designed to improve visibility for accessibility, but in some cases, they can remove your desktop wallpaper, which may cause your background to appear completely black. To check this, press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. Once the Settings app opens, click Accessibility on the left side. Next, select Contrast Themes. Now look at the drop-down menu. If a contrast theme is currently enabled, click the drop-down and change it to None. When done, click Apply. Windows will update the display settings, and your desktop wallpaper should appear normally again. If your background is still black, we will have to rebuild the wallpaper cache. Sometimes Windows 11 stores a cache version of your wallpaper, and if that cache file becomes corrupted, Windows may fail to load your background properly, and your display will be black screen instead. To fix this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type %appdata %Microsoft /Windows /themes, then press Enter. This will open the folder where Windows stores your wallpaper configuration files. Inside this folder, look for a file called transcoded wallpaper. This file stores the cache version of your desktop background. Simply delete the transcoded wallpaper file. Don't worry, Windows will automatically create a new, clean cache file the next time your wallpaper loads. After deleting the file, refresh your desktop, or better still, restart your computer. Once your PC starts back up, Windows will rebuild the wallpaper cache, and your desktop background should appear normally again. Sometimes a display driver issue can cause the desktop wallpaper to fail, which will make the background appear completely black. To fix this problem, we first need to identify the exact graphics driver installed on your computer. Start by right-clicking the Start button. From the menu that appears, click Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, find and expand Display Adapters. Here you will see the name of your graphics card. This could be something like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Take note of the exact model listed here. From here, simply open your preferred web browser and visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, which could be NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your model. The direct links to the websites are in the video description. On the official page, simply type in the model of your graphics driver. Select the latest version and your operating system. When done, click the download button. When the download completes, simply open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. As a last resort, this method often fixes display issues and restores your background. After installation, restart your PC for the fix to take effect. If you want a faster way to repair these problems without troubleshooting multiple settings, use the desktop background repair toolkit. It fixes your black screen wallpaper issue fast and safely. The tool includes something called Hero Mode. Hero Mode runs a repair that refreshes the Windows desktop environment, resets the wallpaper configuration, and clears several hidden glitches, which will prevent the issue from happening again in the future. The link is pinned in the comment below.